Number 1. 1986 GMC Sierra Classic 4-wheel drive shortbed, $6,500, Port Angeles, Washington. This 1986 GMC Sierra Classic shortbed is a desirable square-body 4-wheel drive equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 featuring a throttle body injection conversion. Paired with the heavy-duty SM465 4-speed manual transmission, it offers excellent low-end torque and off-road capability. The truck has solid upgrades, including dual exhaust and newer all-terrain tires. However, it currently runs rough and requires fuel system tuning, along with attention to the leaking secondary fuel tank and worn hub lockers. Despite these issues, it remains a strong project with solid fundamentals and classic appeal. Number 2. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $3,000, Belfair, Washington. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is a functional workhorse with a small block V8 and automatic transmission, enhanced by a shift kit. It runs and drives well, supported by recent upgrades including exhaust, brakes, and gauges. The patina finish adds character, though rust is present in common areas such as rocker panels and cab corners. These trucks are valued for their durability, and this example is a practical, affordable entry into classic ownership with everyday usability. Number 3. 1984 GMC 1500 4-wheel drive, $7,000, New Plymouth, Idaho. This 1984 GMC square body pickup is a solid 4-wheel drive truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 5-speed manual transmission. With a straight, rust-free body and good interior, it stands out as a clean example. The inclusion of a 1990s suburban parts vehicle adds significant value for future repairs or upgrades. These trucks are highly regarded for their ruggedness and ease of maintenance, making this a versatile and appealing package. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C10 shortbed, $11,500, Graham, Washington. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 shortbed is a highly collectible model featuring a 307 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. With one-owner history and original documentation, it carries strong provenance. The truck remains largely stock and runs and drives, though it requires some attention. Its originality and documentation make it especially appealing to collectors seeking an authentic, late 1960s Chevrolet pickup. Number 5. 1965 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $6,800, McAlester, Oklahoma. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a well-preserved classic powered by an inline-6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. With long-term family ownership and recent updates, including a rebuilt carburetor, new clutch, and wooden bed, it offers both reliability and charm. The fact that everything is functional enhances its usability. These mid-1960s trucks are highly regarded for their clean design and durability, making this a solid driver quality example. Number 6. 1972 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, $14,900, Henderson, Nevada. This 1972 Ford F100 Ranger XLT is a well-optioned classic featuring its original 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. With 3-owner family history and 119,000 miles, it represents a well-preserved survivor. The truck runs well and retains factory air conditioning, though it requires servicing. Its patina finish adds character, and the Ranger XLT trim enhances comfort and collectability. This is a desirable example of early 1970s Ford styling. Number 7. 1950 Chevrolet 3100, $22,000, Colville, Washington. This 1950 Chevrolet 3100 has been recently restored to near original condition, featuring a rebuilt 216 cubic inch inline-6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With only 1,900 miles since restoration, it runs and drives like new. Additional upgrades such as new brakes and functioning vacuum wipers enhance reliability while maintaining authenticity. This model is iconic in the collector market, and this example offers a high-quality restoration with excellent presentation. Number 8. 1946 Diamond T Model 201 pickup, $30,000, Kelseyville, California. This 1946 Diamond T Model 201 is a rare and prestigious classic, often referred to as the Cadillac of trucks. Featuring a fully original configuration with a split windshield and distinctive styling, it stands apart from typical trucks of its era. The condition is excellent, with well-preserved paint, interior, and original components. These trucks are highly collectible due to their craftsmanship and rarity, making this a standout, show-quality example. Number 9. 1977 Dodge pickup, $12,000, Ashland, Oregon. This 1977 Dodge pickup is a modified classic powered by a 3 18 cubic inch V8 that has been bored and upgraded with a 4-barrel carburetor. It runs well and includes modern touches such as updated wiring and interior features. With additional parts included, it offers flexibility for further customization. While not fully original, it represents a solid and personalized classic truck with strong performance potential. Number 10. 1977 Ford F250 Ranger XLT 4-wheel drive, $14,000, Boerne, Texas. This 1977 Ford F250 Highboy Ranger XLT is a highly desirable factory 4-wheel drive model with original paint preserved under clear coat. It features a strong platform with new upholstery and tires, but requires fuel system work and a battery replacement. The Highboy configuration is especially sought after for its rugged design and off-road capability. This truck presents an excellent opportunity to own a collectible Ford with minor restoration needs. Number 11. 1968 GMC C2500, $25,000, Vancouver, Washington. This 1968 GMC C2500 has undergone a comprehensive 2-year restoration, featuring a powerful 396 cubic inch big block V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Extensive work includes frame refinishing, interior rebuild, and upgraded mechanical components. The truck remains close to original while benefiting from significant restoration investment. Big block trucks from this era are increasingly rare, making this a high-quality and valuable example. Number 12. 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, $24,950, El Paso, Texas. This 1953 Chevrolet 3100 blends classic styling with modern comfort, featuring a rebuilt 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Upgrades such as aftermarket air conditioning, Bilstein shocks, and a lowered stance improve drivability. The custom interior and woodbed enhance presentation, while retaining much of its original charm. This is a well-executed classic suitable for regular driving and shows. Number 13. 1953 GMC Flatbed Truck, $21,500, Eagle, Idaho. This 1953 GMC Flatbed Truck has undergone a full off-frame restoration, making it a standout example. Powered by a rebuilt 28 cubic inch inline-6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it offers reliable performance. With only 500 miles since restoration, it features new mechanical systems, custom flatbed, and refreshed interior. Its versatility as a display vehicle or event truck adds to its appeal, especially for commercial or promotional use. Number 14. 1978 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $22,500, Kelseyville, California. This 1978 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is a well-preserved square body pickup, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission. With 119,000 miles and a rust-free California history, it stands out for its excellent condition. That's right. The truck features clean bodywork, tasteful pinstriping, and a fully functional interior. These late 1970s C10 models are increasingly collectible, and this example represents a high-quality original driver.